Hello and welcome. I'm really happy you are listening today. Before we start today's lesson, remember one simple thing. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about learning step by step. If you can understand even a little, you are improving. There is no fear here, no pressure. Just listen calmly and enjoy the process. This is Speako Talko English, where English is easy, slow, and friendly for everyone. Learning English can feel difficult in the beginning, but listening daily makes a big difference. Stories are a powerful way to learn because they help you understand real English in a natural way. Do not worry if you miss some words. Focus on the main idea. Every time you listen, your confidence grows. Today's podcast has a meaningful monk story. This story will teach you how to use time wisely and will also help you improve your English listening skills. After the story, we will learn some useful vocabulary with easy meanings and examples. At the end, you can think about the lesson and how it connects to your life. Now, let's move into today's story. The monk's lesson about time. Far away, in the mountains, there was a quiet monastery. The place was peaceful and simple. Many students lived there to learn discipline and wisdom. One of the students was a young disciple named Kai. Kai was very hard-working. He woke up early every day and worked until night. Still, he felt stressed and unhappy. No matter how much he worked, he felt there was never enough time. One evening, Kai went to his teacher, a wise monk who understood life deeply. Kai spoke honestly and said, "Master, I work all day, but I always feel tired and late. My mind is never calm. How can I manage my time better?" The monk smiled softly and asked Kai to walk with him. They walked quietly through the garden. After some time, the monk stopped and placed an empty clay pot on the ground. Beside it, he placed some big stones, some small pebbles, and a bowl of rice. The monk said, "Kai, this pot is like your time. Please fill it." Kai started filling the pot. First, he poured the rice. Then he added the small pebbles. When he tried to put the big stones inside, they did not fit. Kai looked confused and surprised. The monk gently laughed and emptied the pot. He said, "Now watch carefully." First, the monk placed the big stones into the pot. He said, "These stones are the most important things in your life, your health, your family, your education, and your dreams. These must come first." Then he poured the small pebbles into the pot. They filled the empty spaces between the stones. "These are your daily responsibilities, work and duties." Finally, the monk poured the rice into the pot. The tiny grains filled all the small gaps. "These are small distractions, unnecessary worries, and time-wasting habits." The monk looked at Kai and said, "If you fill your life with small things first, there will be no space for important things. But if you focus on what truly matters, everything else will fit naturally." Kai understood the lesson. From that day, he changed his routine. He focused on the right things first. Slowly, his stress reduced, his mind became calm, and his life felt balanced and peaceful. Now, let's learn some helpful English words from the story. Word 1. Prioritize. Prioritize means to do important things first. Example, I prioritize learning English every day. Repeat with me. Prioritize, prioritize, prioritize. Word 2, overwhelmed. Overwhelmed means feeling stressed because there is too much to do. Example, he felt overwhelmed with work. Say it again, overwhelmed, overwhelmed, overwhelmed. Word 3, balance. Balance means having the right mix of work and rest. Example, a balanced life makes us peaceful. Repeat, balance, balance, balance. Try to make your own simple sentences with these words. Speaking simple English daily builds confidence. Remember, learning English is a slow and beautiful journey. Small practice every day creates big confidence. Do not stop. Do not doubt yourself. Thank you for learning with Speako Talko English. We will continue this journey together in the next lesson. Until then, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.